Hey everybody, it's Tony and Petula.
And let's discover Ontario. We're in Midland today.
Yeah, and this is Ontario's best butter tart festival.
Thank you so much to our friends at 411.com. You were the one that told us about this festival. We are here because of you. Thanks again.
Yeah, let's check it out.
It's 9:15 in the morning and there are thousands of people on the street buying butter tarts. If you're not an early bird, this is not your kind of festival. This is unbelievable.
What makes a champion butter tart?
The mix between the pastry and the butter tart mix combined.
And you've got the combination apparently.
We do.
Twice a year winners right there.
Woo!
Champs!
Is the largest butter tart festival in Canada, celebrating our quintessential dessert. It's a free family-friendly event with vendors, the best butter tart contest, entertainment all day long, and you can see we've got beautiful weather every single year. Last year we had an attendance of 55,000 people. I'm thinking we might be around 75,000 this year, and we expect to sell 180,000 butter tarts.
So we stumbled onto a big controversy today here at the festival. Whether or not butter tarts should or shouldn't have raisins in them. Let's figure out why. Raisins or no raisins in your butter tart?
Raisins.
Raisins.
Why?
I don't know, it tastes better.
It's healthy.
Raisins or no raisins?
No raisins.
No raisins.
No raisins.
What about you?
Raisins, yeah.
Walnuts or nuts, any kind of nuts in there, yes, but no
So
raisins.
nuts, yes.
Nuts, yes.
Raisins, no.
Exactly.
Raisins or no raisins?
Raisins.
Why?
I don't know, the mouthfeel. I'm not a fan of raisins in my butter tarts. The festival founder, she considers them the shriveled corpses of grapes. And I would tend to agree.
Tons of raisins. Tons of raisins.
The shriveled up little grapes. They're awesome. Just saying.
All day long, people cannot agree. Raisins or no raisins? What do you vote? Raisins or no raisins?
Raisins. No raisins. 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 Raisins.
No raisins.
Raisins.
No raisins. No raisins.
Married couple can't agree here.
I don't like raisins.
Do you put raisins in your butter tart?
No, we are officially a raisin-free bakery. I know a lot of people like raisins, but I am of the opinion they are a pathetic imposter for the noble chocolate chip.
Yes, that's right. Finally, someone's speaking my language here. All right, this is the green room for the guest judges, and let's go get ready to judge some butter tarts.
Let's do this. It's official now.
You're going to write that number down on the top of your ballot sheet.
Glenn, what are you looking for in a butter tart?
That was good, that one. What am I looking for? Lots of filling and a little bit more on the runny side than too thick. Less crust. I don't like too much, but I don't want the crust. You like to scoop it out, right? If I had my way. And really sweet.
Can I ask all the judges really quickly, just settle the debate once and for all? Raisins or no raisins? I know, man. I don't know why. Raisins are so controversial. What are you looking for in a champion tart?
Balance. Not too runny, not too flaky, nice texture.
What the hell?
Our tarts.
There's 3, 6, 9, there's 9
Our
and 12.
tarts seem to be missing. Bring more tarts!
Come on.
No more tarts? Oh, we all miss around. What if I don't want to miss around? You ever think about that?
I love a flaky pastry. I really do. I don't want something that's really rich. I want something that's gonna just.
But not too flaky that it's gonna fall apart. You want to be able to hold that thing up and bite it, and it's not like all over the place.
I love looking at everybody's different designs, their concept of what a butter tart is, because it's really personal. And generally, they always come from somebody in their family, and it's a generation thing, and like it's.
See this?
It's a thing of beauty.
This is your heart right there.
Bottom.
Tony, we could go on forever.
I'm sure you could.
Oh, these are my bread and butter. And they'll help me sell a lot more tarts this year.
Do you have a store as well?
Yeah, we have a little store in Baileyborough, and it's called DooDoo's Bakery. And there's myself, and there's about 6 or 7 staff members that I have. And we work really hard at making butter tarts.
Wow, that's a lot of butter tarts.
We've lost count of how many butter tarts we ate at this festival. They were all amazing. Congrats again to the winners. Enjoy your prize. Huge thank you to 411.com for telling us about this festival.
Absolutely.
And if you like what you saw, don't forget to click on the links below for more information. And what else should they do?
Well, I mean, if you think of someone that you would like to go to this festival with, share the video with them.
And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Ciao.
Want to promote your destination or event? Contact us. If you like this video, then subscribe for the next one. We're going to settle this once and for all. You're the Champion Baker 2018. Tell us, do you put raisins in butter tarts or no?
I do, only to sell them to people, but I don't like raisins in my butter tarts. I'm a purist. I like either plain or pecan.
There you have it. From the champion herself, there are no raisins in butter tarts.
No raisins.
No raisins.
So here's Sarah. Sarah says she can't eat them. Sarah, why?
Because I just started keto.
That's why you don't do keto, girl. Because then you can't eat these things.